Alright, now that lights have been brought into Smart Blu, now we can actually affect changes within each individual light. You may wish to name a light, where you can get into the change light name screen and simply backspace and choose the new light name for yourself. At that point, you can see the new light name get expressed by the icon. If you hold the icon down, it will bring you into the light dimming screen, and here you can start to mess with the light's brightness and also the color that the light expresses from 2700K to 6500K.